What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your phone into a steering wheel for American Truck Simulator or BeamNG Drive. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your web browser and search Touch Racer, and then you want to go to touchracer.com. On the website you'll see a button that says Windows app. Click that button and it will download your file. Install the Touch Racer app for Windows. The setup is going to ask you to install a driver. It'll be necessary to allow this to work, so click yes on that and it will install all the necessary components. On your phone, download Touch Racer app. As you can see here, I've already installed it. So after that, if your computer has Bluetooth, you're going to want to go ahead and turn that on. And on your phone, you want to turn on Bluetooth as well. Then you want to search for new devices. On your computer, you'll see your phone appear on the screen. On your phone, check to make sure the name is the same, and then click pair. Now, both of your devices will show a code. Make sure they're both the same, and click pair on your phone, and then yes on your computer. It could take up to a minute for both devices to sync up. Once they are synced up, you can now open Touch Racer on your phone, and you can see it's connected to your computer via Wi-Fi. And you may notice there is an option to use Bluetooth. Click that button and then choose paired device to connect. Scroll down and find your computer, and then you'll see it'll connect via Bluetooth. It's more stable to use Bluetooth because it has a better connection and it's less likely to be uninterrupted. And in case you're in a place where you have no Wi-Fi, you can just connect to it without having to use Wi-Fi. So that's basically the difference between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to show you how to set this steering wheel up for American Truck Simulator. All you have to do is open up American Truck Simulator, go to Options, Controls, and then you'll see a drop down box. Select VJoy device. After that, your steering wheel should be set up, and that's pretty much it. And after you've gotten all that done, you're ready to play American Truck Simulator. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I've gotten a lot of questions about my gaming setup, like where did you get the steering wheel and all, and I told everyone that I use my phone and they always wonder how I do that. So now you know how to do it. If you guys enjoyed the video and you found it helpful, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.